Are you tired of dealing with leaky faucets at your home or office in Calgary? In this video, we'll share some simple and effective tips to help you keep your faucets running smoothly, saving you both time and money in the long run. The first step in maintaining your faucets is determining the cause of any issues. Do you notice low water pressure, leaks, or strange noises? Understanding the source of the problem can help us find the right solutions. In some cases, faucet problems can be caused by worn-out parts that need to be replaced. We'll show you how to identify if your parts need to be changed and walk you through the simple process of replacing them. Over time, mineral buildup from hard water can affect the performance of your faucet. We'll demonstrate some easy ways to clean your faucet so it's running more smoothly and efficiently. Now that you've learned how to identify faucet issues and rectify them, let's talk about how you can maintain your faucets for long-term performance. Simple upkeep like regular cleaning and inspection can help prevent future problems. By following these simple tips, you can ensure the faucets in your Calgary home or office will run smoothly and efficiently, saving you both time and money in the long run.